Today we have a Volkswagen Passat CC. This car has a 2-liter turbo. This car came in because it has misfire codes, because it has carbon buildup on the backs of the intake valves, which causes them to hang up. We're going to remove this intake manifold, and we're going to use a walnut blaster. And we have an intake manifold we cut down, and you hook this up to a shop vac, and you stick this wand here in the port on this adapter, and we can blast the back of the intake valves to clean them off. We used to do this with brake clean and a wire brush, but it would take forever and it really wouldn't do a nice job. Use these ground up walnuts, and they do a really nice job. It'll come out just about clean as new. A lot of times people put injectors in these cars for misfires, and all it is carbon buildup on the back of the intake valves.